The common excellent qualities of meditative concentration are described in the verses that summarize the Prajnaparamita Sutras. Meditative concentration dispenses with inferior sense pleasures and makes awareness, supercognitive abilities, and samādhis manifest. Specifically, when we achieve samatha, our physical and mental joy and happiness increase, and our mind is able to focus on its object. Mental distractions, which are distortions, are automatically pacified, thus preventing much negative conduct. Excellent qualities, such as the supercognitive abilities and miraculous powers, are achieved, on the basis of which the realizations of vipaśyanā develop. Once those rise and are sustained, we see the temporal and ultimate excellent qualities, such as swift liberation from cyclic existence,